That was cool.
What are you doing?
Cleaning the tree.
Why?
Now I'm going to throw balls at the tree. Stop it. Ah. Ah.
That's interesting, Artem.
I'll try to make that smile. Artem! Let's cover the tree.
You gonna cover the tree with snow?
Yeah. Sure. Why not? We covering the tree. Look. Ah! Sorry, tree. You're going.
Mad
Yeah.
when I threw the,
You're going.
Mario got mad when I
tree.
threw the snow. This one thick.
What?
You can't even squeeze it.
Careful with that one. That one could hurt somebody. You pack it that tight. That's like an ice
What's
ball.
this?
That'll hurt.
What's this?
I'm like a golf ball.
What?
Yeah. Well, I'm watching. Why did you do that?
Ah, look, I can't even squeeze it.
Yeah, that'll hurt somebody for sure. Where'd you go, Ramsey?
Throw it at the tree.
Somebody made a snowman. Hmm.